Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already have VS Code and at least one Python interpreter. Now start changing the environment. Open the project folder and press Ctrl+Shift+P to open the command palette. Once visible, type and select Python, select Interpreter. This lists detected interpreters. You choose a global Python, a conda env, or a virtualenv. Make sure extensions remain active. If an interpreter is missing, refresh the window and check your path or conda base activation so VS Code can detect it. Once you pick an interpreter, VS Code updates the workspace Python path. You see it in the status bar. If you prefer a new virtualenv, run python mvenv. Venv, then activate it in your terminal and reopen the command palette to reselect it. For conda, activate with conda activate env name or let VS Code run the activation for integrated terminals. Make sure tasks, linters, and debugger use the same interpreter. Adjust settings in vscode/settings, JSON to lock the environment for the team. You're nearly done. Run a simple script in piplist to confirm the interpreter and packages match your expectations. If extensions, linting, or terminal activation fail, restart VS Code and reload the window. Make sure terminal starts with the environment activated. Adjust terminal. Integrated. Shell args or enable conda activate in settings. If detection still fails, reinstall or update the Python extension and verify path or conda config. One key tip: check that workspace settings don't override user settings, which often causes silent mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.